directly and this proportion sign 1 upon y, right? Bring constant in, therefore x equals to k upon y. K is a constant. So what is given? X equals to 10, then y equals to 6. So 10 equals to k upon 6, right? So k equals to, take 6 on this side, 60. Therefore you have got what? X equals to 60 upon y, right? Now find y when x equals to 15. Put 15 over here. 15 equals to 60 upon y. Take y on this side, 15 on this side. So y equals to 60 upon 15. 15 goes down. 1 the 4 the y equals to 4. That is the answer. Next, if x upon y equals to 2 upon 3, this is to means upon, and 2 is to x equals to 1 is to y, then the value of y is, means what here directly, x is to y equals to 2 is to 3, 2 is to x equals to x, 1 is to 2, y equals to, that is a basic question. Okay, so 2 upon x equals to 1 upon 2. This is 2, not z. Okay, so 1 upon 2. So find x. Therefore x equals to 2 into 2, 4. So x you have got it. Now put this value of x in the first equation. X upon y equals to 2 upon 3. Therefore 4 upon y equals to 2 upon 3. Therefore y equals to, this cross it. 4 3 is 12 upon 2, 6. Y equals to 6. That's the answer. See, these problems are easier. That's why we are going fast. There are much tougher problems ahead. Download Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 15, tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life in various competitive exams. Also, we have videos for the same. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.